Lucas, did you know, 80% of students are totally scared to talk to their teacher?
Scared? No way, really?
Yeah, it's true. Welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. But wait, why scared? Teachers are just people.
I mean, yeah, but think about it. The teacher is the boss of the room.
Oh, true. The big boss.
Right? It's like talking to a big angry bear sometimes.
A bear? My math teacher looked like a bear.
Exactly. So today we are learning how to talk to the bear. I mean, the teacher.
Okay, good. Because honestly, I always forget my words.
You forget what to say?
Yeah, I walk up to the desk and just... nothing. My brain stops.
That is the problem. Everyone freezes. They panic.
Yeah, panic. Teacher, me no understand.
Yes. So let's fix it. We need a plan.
A plan. Okay, I like plans. Tell me the plan, Luna.
First, you need to get their attention, but nicely.
Get attention. Okay, like, hey you?
No. Oh my gosh, no. Do not say hey you.
Too rude?
Very rude. The bear will bite you.
Right. No biting. So what do I say?
Say, excuse me. Just that. Excuse me, Mr. Smith.
Excuse me, Mr. Mr. Smith.
Yes. Or, do you have a minute? That is a great question.
Do you have a minute? Let me write that. Do you?
It shows respect. You are asking for their time.
Ah, like knocking on the door.
Perfect analogy, Lucas. Yes, it's polite.
Okay, so I say, excuse me, do you have a minute?
Exactly. And then, wait, what do you think comes next?
I see my problem. Homework is bad.
Close, but no. Tell them what the topic is first.
The topic, English or math?
Yeah, I have a question about the homework.
Oh, wow. That sounds so smart.
Right? It's like a menu in a restaurant.
A menu? Wait, I don't get it.
You don't just say food. You say, I want a burger. Be specific.
Oh, now I get it. I want a burger means I have a question about page 10.
Yes, you nailed it. Give them the menu.
Okay. Excuse me, do you have a minute? I have a question about the burger. The homework.
Please don't ask your teacher for a burger.
Unless it's cooking class.
True. But seriously, this is the important part. Be polite, be specific.
Polite and specific. Got it. But Luna, what if I don't understand the lesson?
The classic I am lost feeling.
Literally me every day. Teacher, my brain hurts.
Don't just say, I don't understand. It is too big.
Too big.
Yeah, the teacher doesn't know where to start. It's like saying, fix my car.
Fix my car. But the mechanic asks, what is wrong?
Exactly. You have to say, the wheel is broken.
Oh, so I say, I don't understand the last part.
Yes, I don't understand the last part. Or could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that? I love that one. It's easy.
It is. It just means, say it again, please.
But what if they say it again and I still don't get it?
Ooh, that is the worst feeling, right?
The absolute worst. I just smile and nod like an idiot.
No, don't do that. Don't just smile.
But it's so embarrassing, Luna. I don't want to look stupid.
I know. But if you smile, the teacher thinks you understand.
True. Then the test comes and I fail.
Right. So instead of nodding, you can ask for an example.
An example? Wait, just say, can you give an example?
Yes, exactly that. Can you give an example?
Oh, that's good because, examples are easier.
Exactly. It's like if I say the word fruit.
Fruit. Okay.
And you don't know the word. If I just repeat it, fruit.
Repeating doesn't help. It's just louder.
Right. But if you say, can you give an example? I say, apples, bananas.
Oh, now I get it. Fruit.
See? The example makes it click.
That is so smart, Luna. Can you give an example?
Yes. Or another good one is, can you speak slower, please?
Wait, slower or more slowly?
More slowly is like better grammar, but real people just say slower.
So, can you speak more slowly, please?
Perfect. Because sometimes teachers just talk way too fast.
Like me, I talk very fast.
You do, Lucas. You really do.
So, can you speak more slowly, please?
Yes, let's practice. I am the teacher.
Okay, I am ready.
Deep breath. Ba ba ba, fast English words, blah.
Whoa, excuse me, Luna?
Yes, Lucas?
I don't understand. Can you speak more slowly, please?
Yes, of course. See? Perfect.
That felt good. I didn't feel stupid at all.
Never feel stupid. Teachers want to help you.
That's true. They are, there to teach.
Right. Okay, what if you need more time?
More time, like for a test?
For a test or homework, like you can't finish it today.
Oh, I just say no homework today.
No, the teacher will get so mad.
Uh-oh, so what do I say then?
You ask nicely, "Can I have more time, please?"
Can I have more time, please?
Yes. Or, "Can I give this to you tomorrow?"
Tomorrow. That is a very, very useful word.
Very useful. Now, let's do a quick game for the listeners.
Ooh, a game. I love games.
Listeners, I will say a problem. You think of what to say.
Ooh, good practice. Give him the problem, Luna.
Okay, the teacher uses a word you don't know, like habitat.
What do you ask? 5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Did you guess it? What does habitat mean?
Yes. Or the other one. Can you give an example?
Right, the example thing again. I love that trick.
So tell us your favorite English phrase.
Yeah, what do you say when you don't understand?